Welcome to Ragan Training. The following clip is an excerpt from a full course available exclusively to Ragan Training subscribers. Now let's diagnose the real issue. When communicators say AI sounds generic, what they usually mean is AI filled in the blanks I didn't define. Generic output isn't random, it's statistically safe. If you give the model no audience tension, no political nuance, no emotional temperature, no banned phrases, no format guardrails, it defaults to broad, safe, slightly corporate, slightly over-explained, slightly LinkedIn inspirational, because that's the highest probability answer. And that's not a model failure, that's underspecified input. So again, instead of write a LinkedIn post about our reorg, a strategic communicator should embed who is anxious, what rumors are circulating, what behavior do we want, what language must we avoid, what does success look like. That's editorial discipline. And that's exactly where our panel was crystal clear. So let's hear from our AI prompting panel at Ragan's AI Horizons conference early in their discussion. Sarah Whitty, internal comms manager for the strategy hub at Google DeepMind, Mary Yang, founder of Momentum Storyworks, and Catherine Montgomery, founder and CEO of the Better Together agency. They define what they see as the non-negotiables of strong prompting: context, tone precision, and role clarity. Listen for how quickly they move from vague to structured.